Safety. Look around your workshop. Is the area equipped to deal with emergencies, for example, fire extinguishers, properly equipped first aid kits? Is the work area as free from hazards as possible? Do workers use appropriate personal protective equipment? Is the workshop secure? Are tools and equipment properly secured? Safety precautions. Pay close attention to the work. Keep tools clean and sharp. Protect yourself from electrical shock. Check electrical tools before using them. Keep all guards and shields in place. Keep electrical tools in good condition. Replace or repair worn or defective tools promptly. Always wear appropriate personal protective clothing. Read the operator's manual and follow all safety precautions for all tools. Maintain secure footing and balance at all times. Use clamps or vices to hold your work